Hello, friends and family as well. We have exciting news. Emma and I. Where's Emma? She's coloring right now. What are we doing today, Emma? Shall we show everyone what we're doing? You want to tell everyone what we're doing today? What are we doing?
I don't know.
I don't know. Well, we're definitely not at home. This is not our house.
No, this is our room. This is our room.
They look very shiny on the video, but in real life, they're not as shiny. Anyways, we are at the library. We wanted to tell them. Okay, maybe Emma. Do you want to tell them?
No.
Okay. We're at the library, and we have take a look. A cool setup. What do you mean? Don't tell them. Oh, show them. We're gonna show you. As you can see,
it's called musical chairs.
No, we have set up. We're at the library. We have an event. We have a bunch of moms and kids coming for Mother's Day. It's a Mother's Day event. We're actually going to read our books. Take a look at our books. Right? You guys have seen Luna's Journey to Find Herself. Really cool book.
Mommy and
Emma
Magical Hearts.
Yeah. Emma and Mommy's Magical Heart right here. And these are Mommy's books. Mommy has published.
Yep.
I published 2 books aside from the kids.
And these are beautiful cards.
Those are my business cards, you're right. And this is our last book, our 3rd book that we published. What is that called? Come on, which book are you holding?
I'm growing up big.
I'm growing up big. Learning to handle new feelings. Look at these pictures. How cool. We did, okay, so we thought it would be really cool because we haven't actually seen this happening in books. We thought it would be very, very cool to make every color of the book a different, every page of the book a different color. Take a look. It looks really cool. Right? Look. We've got multiple rainbow color, yellow, blue, pink. We basically tried and used a mix of colors. We know Emma loves pink. But, yeah.
And green, blue, and purple.
Right. So, these are our books. We don't have a lot of copies of this because we just published. But, yep. And then we're also doing,
that book is lucky.
What?
Whoever gets that book is lucky.
Whoever gets that, well, we're going to keep that book for now,
Good.
right? People can go to Amazon, see? They can go to Amazon and just buy the books, right? The ones that we don't have here, but this is it. Emma looks so awesome. Don't you think, you guys?
Guys, time to get your face paint.
Face paint. We're going to do face paint because it's Mother's Day event. We're going to color.
How do you turn this
You guys
on?
take a guess. Hearts. We're going to color hearts.
It
So this is very exciting. No, it does not turn on. Nope. It's just a tree. A tree, you know, family tree kind of thing. We thought it would be really cool to add in there as decor.
And this is why we're doing musical chairs. This is called musical chairs, and this is how you play.
Wild woman, girl. Event was so fun. We decided to do a heart, face paint heart for everyone, and I went with Emma and I. We did pink for me, and Emma, well, she decided to do different colors. So, what are you doing? You gonna roll? Oh my God! Oh my God! Don't go on the street. Hey, you're wild. You're wild. Wild girl, look at her. She did such a good job. job. They were like, hey, wrong way. Wrong way. Okay, bye. I'm leaving. Oh my God, don't go on the street. Crazy girl. Anyways, there were 30 people and their parents, a lot of kids. Obviously it's kids, so I really didn't feel comfortable recording their faces, but we had a lot of fun. We read all 3 of our books. We did a what, Emma? Freeze dance? We did a freeze dance. What else? You painted everybody's faces? Not faces, but hands. So she did all kinds of different color hearts. She's a wild, wild, wild.
I'm gonna go down.
You guys feel free. Look at her. She's free, happy. You can't be any happier than that. Well, you rolled over a lot. You gonna roll again? Hoo-hoo. Here she goes. Silly as a goose. Watch your head. Watch your head. So silly. All right, it's time to go. Woohoo! You tired?
No.
No. Silly. One more and that's it. We gotta go eat dinner. Dinner time. Come on. That looks fun though. I want to do it too. What do you think, you guys? Should I go do it with Emma? Should we do it together?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, I'm afraid. I've got heels, but let's go.
You have to lay down. Lay down like this.
I have to lay down. Okay, do you want my feet on your face or my head?
You go
My head.
first.
Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness.
And
Okay. Here she comes. Hold on. I have a little bit more to go. Ready? Where are you? I did it. Am I green? No. We did it. Oh, I feel dizzy now. Woohoo. Don't you feel dizzy? I wouldn't do that. Okay, that's it. It's time to go. It's time to go. I'm not doing it again. I'm not gonna spin. I'm not gonna spin. Dizzy? No? So silly. I love you. I love my crazy. All right, friends, it's time for Emma and I to head home and eat, but it's been a pleasure being here, talking to you. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and let us know what you think about our videos and what you want to see.